Hi, I'm Ann Myrick, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a range hood filter. You just clip it off. This is it. And you'll see where it's greasy and dirty in here. I have in my sink, I have sudsy water. It's hot water with detergent, and I'm also putting a little bit of vinegar in my sink. And I'm going to take just a little scrubber, a little brush scrubber, and just go around and scrub the filter. If there is a lot of buildup, you will want to soak it, and you might want to keep the water hot, so you might want to soak it, and then when the water gets a little cool, put a little bit more hot water in it, and just let it soak really well. And then lightly scrub it. You don't want to scrub it too hard, but lightly scrub it. And then just give it a good rinse. And each oven is different, and so there could be several filters in your oven. You might have one large one, or you might have 2 or 3 small ones. So you'll want to check how many filters you have. This is Ann Myrick, and this is how to clean a range hood filter.